Field full of FieldFare. About 200 of them. Camera to her right. Look at them all. They didn't spot me there, so they've pulled back out there. Grey, brown, FieldFare birds, a bit bigger than a thrush. There's hundreds of them here, and in next field as well. Stop zooming in, get a better quality picture. Starlings flying off. Here we go. Did you hear that call just then? Here we come again. Shh. Something spooked them. Spooked. It's not me. I haven't spooked them. Look at them all. These are all FieldFare. Must be 300 of them. What a magnificent display. How lucky they. Got to time that any better with camera. Right close in there. It's recording. Good job it is. Oh, they're going now. Well, they've been here for about half an hour going through these two fields. Absolute beauty there. I got a right view. Do you see them on me there? That's what it's all about. I've been stood here 10 minutes. Never expected them to come that close. It's a shame they've gone now. This field was full of them. Well, you see them. And the old next field right here. That green. Is that them over there on edge? Trees. Zoom her in. No pictures, rubbish. But at least you'll see something. Yeah, they're right over there. They've gone into the next field, I think. The last few I just saw. What a magnificent view that was. The wind is blowing from right hand side. It's about 12 degrees here. Nice, lovely chill in that air. I like that, me. Great. Facing towards camera now. Misty. Where the wind's coming from. Missed you outside. They're stuck in. Staring at four walls. That's what it's all about. You want to sing that if you want out there. Yeah, they've gone now. Anyway, we've got a nice treat there. Four blue tits flying about. You'll not see them. Just above edges, there's one still going. I don't know if camera's doing it right. Don't matter if I'm not. You'll be able to see it anyway. There's the old wind directly at camera now. Lovely winter's day coming now. The old sun trying to break through, but it won't. I know we see rabbits down there on the left hand side. In trees here. Oh, that. Did you hear that? That call there. Well, you can sit inside on computer, watch your rubbish TV programme, especially Netflix. There's no on that. Turn that on again for a $5. It's not worth even that. Or you can be outside. Be outside. Directly into wind now. No wind break here. See to horizon here. Misty horizon. I can hear a bird call. I don't know what it is. Hang on. What's that? We've got a kestrel. Is that what spooked them Miss FieldFares off? Kestrel there. Can you see it? With my eyeballs, yeah. Kestrel. Flying off now. Lost it on ground. Has it landed? Yeah, it's on ground, look. See with my eyes, not with this camera. It's round about there. There it is. Little kestrel. Another little tree. Oh, hang on. Late FieldFare coming back. Oh, my eyes not with this camera. Can't tell, they're too far. Too far away. Could have been starlings. Here we go, some little... Ooh, I don't know what they are. They're goldfinches. Camera's not going to pick them up. There's a lot of gnats, little gnats here. Midges. 12 degrees, they shouldn't be knocking about around here. Look at them all. Yeah, nice bit of wildlife there. You don't see that if you're not outside sitting indoors, keeping warm with that central heating on. Or electrify if you ain't got money for that. Bit of exercise soon warms you up, no matter how cold it gets. As long as you're moving about, you'll always be warm. Get a better view up there. Lovely day here. Hey, we get wind now, mic, won't you? Still ain't got a mic. Still ain't got a mic. Well, I have, but it's no good. Cheapo fiver from Timu. No good there. What's that? There's 2 left. I'm not sure if they were FieldFare or missile thrush. Too far away. The sun's over there, but it's not lighting them up. Enough, they're more like silhouettes with my eyes here. I think we had a nice treat there with that. Hang on, they're right at bottom now. I cannot tell what they are. Probably starlings. The zoomer in is not working right there. Hey, what, I've been stood here that long, I'm starting to get cold now. Highly unusual for me to get cold. Always moving about. You normally see a hen harrier knocking about in this field. Bit late for it now. They're lovely looking birds, them. Like a giant seagull. Up and down, up and down, up and down, up and down they go. Black tipped wings. Where the fly tells you what they are compared to a seagull. You can tell difference from a distance. Colours are similar. They're over there, look. That's where they are. Is that starlings or is it FieldFare? I'll tell in a minute. It's FieldFare, look. There's hundreds of them. Took off again. I wonder if they're going to come back this way. A few crows over there and all. There is a lot of starlings about. They're crows, them. They're crows. What's that? Is that a pheasant? Oh, it's kestrel. Didn't even notice it. Flown back in again, kestrel. You see it there? Oh, kestrel flew back in without me noticing. Yeah, they're all FieldFare in that next field. Yeah, that was a good video, that. Start was. Dropped off since then. Not to worry. Better off being outside, taking in views here and wildlife. And indoors with that central heating on. Yeah, I know which one I'd prefer. And it ain't Netflix. What a magnificent view I had there. You had it at all at start. Hoping for a bit more, but I don't think we're going to get it. They're not going to come this way. They've done this field. There's lots of birds in edge here, but not ones you're going to spot easy because they're smaller birds. Blue tits. Goldfinches. And there'll be a couple of reed buntings. I've seen a couple of them. That's the way it wind's blowing. Don't I towards camera there? Yeah, I reckon you can't beat being outside. No matter what the weather's like. It's always better than being indoors there. Always better. Nice little video there. It's for me anyway. Right. Cheerio thee.